Okay, guys, I also want to share with y'all what else I ordered. This is for KRWBIN, and I'm going to tag her. Yeah, I already opened it, but hold on, let me pull it out. Okay. So I ordered this cute little tumbler. Y'all, isn't it cute? I love butterflies. And it also comes with this lid. Isn't it cute? And you get this nice, I don't know what I just said. You get this nice straw with it. Y'all, isn't it cute? I love butterflies. I love it, I love it, I love it. Y'all, I also ordered, it had options to order some makeup accessories or something. I don't know. I just was trying to support her. I said, you know, hey, it didn't cost too much extra. So I was like, let me go ahead and order it. Hold on a minute. Well, hold on. Let me go. I don't know what I got going on. Okay, y'all. So I ordered the extra stuff, the makeup stuff, accessories with it, okay? And look what I got, this nice little brush. Y'all, and I don't wear a lot of makeup. I mean, you might see me with some lipstick on, and I'll use it. I might fill in my eyebrows a little bit and with some eyeshadow and eyeliner, but nothing like full face. I don't like that because I'll be touching my face all the time. But like I said, I wanted to support my girl. I don't know what you do with this, but it's soft too. Y'all, it's nice. It's sturdy. I need to learn how to use it. I don't know, maybe some blush. I don't know. Let's see what else I got. Oh gosh. Another little makeup thing. It's soft too, y'all. And it's good. It's just not like, you know, it's good stuff. And you get this little flat wedge. I guess it's for your, maybe your eyes. Or to put foundation on. Y'all, like I said, I don't do makeup like that. So I don't know. I just do the basics. And I also got this little spoolie. I think it's what you call it, a spoolie. I think now. I think. But like I said, y'all, look, I'm not no makeup guru. So don't you judge me. Oh, wow. Damn, this is a lot for... I mean, this one... Oh, wow. And look, I also got this. Oh, excuse me. Dang. This is some eyelashes, which I need to learn how to wear. Oh, wow. Some lipstick. I love matte. This is matte lipstick. Y'all, look, go support my girl because this is a lot. Let me see. And I got some cards. What does she got in here? Oh. Y'all, look. It's a little bit of everything in here. Let me read my cards. I got some cards right here. Let me read my cards. Read my card before my time go out, y'all. It says, thank you, dear Jacqueline. Thank you for shopping with us at KRWBIN. You are trying our new beauty lippy cup with our makeup accessories. So go in order, y'all. Go in order and support.
Hi, this is KRWBIN. Your favorite cosmetologist is now offering beauty lippy cups. That's right, lippy cups are available for our beauty professionals all over the world. You're welcome to shop with us at www.KRWBIN.com. Properly clean your lippy cup, you would fill with warm soap and water. You would use a sponge. You can use a scrubber on the inside of your glass only. And for the outside of your glass, you would use a soft sponge or cloth and gently pass over the exterior of the glass. And then you would clean your straw with a sponge also, a scrubber if you like. And then also you would clean the top, which is bamboo, but it is washable. And then you want to gently rinse off each of your items, including the interior of your straw and the interior of your cup. And then you want to place all of the items into a dish drainer or dish dryer. You do not want to use your dishwater, and you do not want to submerge your lippy cup in a sink full of water. I preferably wash my lippy cup separate from any of my other dishes. And as you can see, having been washed with soap, nothing comes. If you order the Beauty Lippy Cup with your choice of Beauty Lippy Cup design, you will get your lippy cup securely wrapped, your straw, your top, your lipstick and lip gloss, liner, your lashes. You will get your eco-friendly powder brush, and you will get a beauty sponge. So stay tuned for more in your beauty Libby cup. We're out and about in the Florida sunshine, rocking our crop denim jacket with our matching denim jeans and our animated tank tops. Available at www.krwbin.com.